strong bag this, you know. A bag like teddy bear bag on the water feel like me that living high.
Are you free?
Well, I want to fix me way. More scream. But so somebody something about mother.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm pretty sure you guys saw the title of this video. So I'm gonna be doing a unboxing, but it's also a surprise. So I decided to be a little random, but you have to continue watching the video. First of all, let's talk about how I'm just serving fresh face and lashes and some gloss for this video. Yeah, I felt like just going fresh face for today's video. I'm just more chill, and I have this Slade wig. You guys know curly texture is like my favorite, definitely like my favorite, and I have a video on this wig. It's from Wig Scale. But anyways, so I got another package from, if you're hearing a little like background noise, forgive me for that. It's hot, so forgive me for all the background noises. But yeah, so today's video is sponsored by Teddy Blake New York. Yay! So shout out to Teddy Blake New York. So today I got my third bag from Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake is a luxury brand. It's a designer brand. They specialize in designer handbags, and this is my third one. I've for the past few years, I'd say for like the past 4 years, I've been getting Teddy Blake bags. So I'm gonna say like 4 years. So yeah, today I have my third one, and let me just show you guys the previous two that I already have from Teddy Blake. Why not, right? Let me go ahead and show you. I have this bag right here. I don't remember the exact name of this one, but I wear this sometimes and people get confused because I remember posting a picture in this the other day, and like somebody was asking me if it was a Birkin. No, it's not Birkin, but it's Teddy Blake, honey. It's Teddy Blake. I love this bag. It's like, listen, I've had this for like, this is the first one I've ever gotten from Teddy Blake. Still in very good condition. So yeah, I don't see that style anymore, so I'm not sure if they discontinued it or what. Yeah, and then I have this one here. I did a whole like outfit of the day video with this. Let me put a little clip here. Yeah, I have that full video up on my channel, so if you're interested, I'll put it in the description box. But this is the same bag. This one is bigger, so this is like a smaller one, and then this one is bigger. And yeah, so today, since I have those sizes, I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get something a little smaller. So that's what I did. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I decided that I didn't even want to really open it up because I really wanted to do a full unboxing here for you guys. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead. It's in the box and everything same way. So let's go ahead and get to it. So this is it. It's white, so when I put it up against me, because of the lighting, I get darker, but this is the box that it comes in. So right here it says, discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. It says that on the front here. So let's go ahead and check it out. Comes in this bag. With drawstrings, and that's the type of bags it always like, they always come in and stuff. So yeah, this is the bag I got. It's just so tiny and cute. It's real good quality. All these handbags are made in Italy, so yeah, and it's genuine leather, you know. So it says Teddy Blake in the back here, Teddy Blake New York, and it has these tags here on the side, which I'm gonna remove. But I really love the little detailing on the sides and stuff. And then it says TB in the front, which of course stands for Teddy Blake. Ooh, the inside is red. I like green. Of course, comes with the filling here. It comes with like these smaller straps. So I guess if you don't want to wear it with the long straps like this, you don't have to. And that's how the strap looks. It has a little detailing here as well. So I mean, that's pretty cool. That's nice. so of course this will come in handy. And I got black because me the type of person, I like quality stuff that I can wear multiple times. Like me personally, like if I'm getting designer, I personally will more lean towards like getting bags and shoes and like purses. The last thing for me to get in designer will be clothes. It's just me. I just feel like I'm spending wiser if I buy like certain things that I can repeat, because I'm the type of person when I wear an outfit, I don't necessarily always repeat. I do repeat because my clothes and it's my money. Like, what are you talking about? Even if it's sponsored clothes, even if I get it for free, like, but I don't always, especially if it's like an extravagant outfit, I don't always like repeat it, you know. So yeah, but with like bags now, I prefer to get those, and I tend to get like the colors of bags in more neutral shades where it can almost go with every and any other color, if you understand what I mean. So, you know, yeah. So the inside is red. It's a really pretty vibrant red. So pretty much that's all that's inside. It doesn't have like pockets or anything, you know, pretty standard. And inside has a little tag here that says Teddy Blake. I'm not sure you guys are going to pick that up, but inside is even has the same detailing that also like the studs. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it's really nice. I really like that. I see myself wearing this a lot. Okay, there's no saying I'm gonna see me in this way. Like this is nice. I really love this. I really love this. I love it. So that's pretty much it for my bag today from Teddy Blake. It feels so good. Like, it definitely was that quality. This from your waiting here, and you know, from the look on it, the feel, everything. Like, honey, what? By the way, guys, if you didn't check out my new tattoo video, go ahead and do so now. Currently it's stripping. It's in stripping mode. So yeah, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, it means so much to me. Just check out the video. Just check it out. But yeah, so as I must say, don't mind the mic. In my tattoo video, I saw a couple of people making fun of it. Even though I'm using the mic, I know the audio still isn't like 100, because this is a mic that picks up surround sound, so that's why you guys will still hear like the background noises, so forgive me for that. But I'm getting a brand new camera very soon, and I can't wait. But anyway, so we're now on to the next portion of the video. So I'm basically going to be surprising my mother, so I want to get her reaction on my bag. I want to get her opinion on my brand new designer bag. So I'm going to call her in, but what I'm going to do is put something in the bag. So I got her a card, and this is just like a random gift. So I got this card here. I got this card for her, and it's just random. Honestly, generally I'm that type of person who likes to give. I like to see people happy, especially the people around me and my loved ones. And last night my sister surprised me with a really cool bracelet, and you guys can go check out her video. So it's like we're all in surprise mode currently. So go check out Divinity Dimples for that video, but she's not even here right now. It's just me and mommy. So what I'm going to do is put this in the bag, but what I'm going to do is put like a stack of money in here. I'm just going to put this money in the card. It's just something to tell her thanks, So the putting the money in there really isn't like, I just threw it in there, because I mean, everybody to get money, so I'm gonna put it in there. I've never really done anything like this for a video before, but let's go. So everything come with the bag, so I just want you to look on it, and what's on my bag, we just want you to react to it. But just this come with the bag, but my take it out to review it last. So just return the bag.
So I'm telling about my bag, my new bag. My new TV bag, sort of like bag. Oh, can't wait to put it on because it looks very nice. Beautiful. Side red.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I really love this style.
Lord of mercy. Let me see.
I really like the details.
A trunk bag, this it's a real nice bag. I love it. Tell the break New York. Thank you guys.
Alright, so this is the last part, so you can react to it. Take it up now, read the something. No, are you freeze?
Well, I want to fix me way. I'm going to fix no good.
What you mean? What you wig up for doing that?
No, people! More scream! But see somebody something about mother. I'm telling you what I said. Oh God. Especially for you, mother, for all that you are.
Rain or fall now, guys.
What
It's raining.
truly lifts us up and matters most in life is not something that can be measured in money or material possession. People, it's not done the same now. Look on this. I'm not going to show you what in there.
Then they know in there already.
What matters most is the goodness in our hearts and the kindness and compassion that we show towards each other. You know, don't defend the people. No, sir. And on this special day, you should know that there is no greater example of a beautiful and giving heart than a wonderful mother like you. Thank you for being such an inspiration. This is so heartwarming. Trust me. How much should I know that she up to something, you know? But this is so unexpected. This is nice. This is. You get a bag, yeah? Trust me, I'm going
to put the link to it down below in my description box, so you guys can check it out if you want to buy it. Buy.
Hey, when you have one of them bag here, you know, you have one good bag. Hey, so I'm not buying things. I'm stop buying them little bag like a trip up. Because I'm tell you something, you know. Hey, I don't want them bag no more, you know. You don't know buy a bag like this, you know, for buy.
But sometimes you know you have to go which part your pocket can reach.
You know, I take them in the handbag, get some now, got someone like that shit. A bag like teddy bear bag on the water and the oats. Them bags here. Them bag are good bag them here, you know. Them bag are not gonna away. When you're ready for them ready. Look at it. Yeah man, you're ready, yeah. But I'm so grateful and trust me. Not telling a lie now. So one is a daughter and I have. Trust me.
Thank you.
Shamina go on there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Swan.
You're welcome. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. You had mommy's reaction on everything.
Why? But daily better. We'll not do them something. I don't know right now. I don't know.
Comment though, at least it wasn't a prank. Forget it.
I can't. But I don't know my prank. Yeah, but I did it.
Yeah guys, so that's by the way, stay tuned for this nail video. Yes, I did it shorter this time, but stay tuned for that. Let me know your thoughts down below, how you felt watching this video, what you think about the teddy bear bag. As I said, I'm going to put the link to it down below, so you guys can check it out if you like. Well, stay tuned. Let me know what videos you want to see. As usual, drop your comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Just go and stick tight to my vlog channel. Check out the vlogs over there if you haven't already. Subscribe and all that good stuff to my vlog channel and this channel as well. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to check out Cooking with Lucia. Yes, so that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and pick up on yourself. Bye.